is there anything else I should take with Oxy-Powder? Now, we do recommend taking a herbal parasite cleanse, which will aid the body in the elimination of any parasites. We also do recommend probiotics, even though Oxy-Powder aids with the good bacteria, but because people continually abuse their food intake, it's always good to reintroduce the good bacteria into the bowel. Now, we have seen the best results with the herbal parasite cleanse and a good probiotic together with the Oxy-Powder. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button to our channel underneath this video. And whatever you do, have a fabulous day and stay healthy.